Hi, today I will cook cottage cheese pancakes for you. Their recipe is very simple. We put the cottage cheese in a deep bowl. We break a raw egg. Add flour, depending on the consistency of the curd, to make a thick dough. Sugar to taste. If you like sweeter cottage cheese pancakes, then add more sugar. Mix the resulting dough. To prevent the dough from sticking to your hands, wet your hands in water. Next, we make cottage cheese pancakes. Fry in a frying pan in vegetable oil until cooked. The cottage cheese pancakes are ready. Add sour cream to taste. Enjoy your meal.